No! Our train! Go faster!
Deja vu, I just been in this place before. Higher on the street and the
That's right,
noise
we're train conductors! We can go forward, we can go back, and we can shoot this gun! I don't know why our train's so mad at the world. Ah! What are these? Little gremlins, little creepy dark creatures. I'm gonna run them over. Ah! Oh, here they are again. Ah! Whoa. We're running them over. That's what y'all get. Whoa, there's more. Oh, look at the top. That's how far we've gotten. We're only not even 10%. We're going as fast as we can. Run them over. Boo, boo. Whoa, stay nearby to get the supply helicopter flying. Can we upgrade? Oh, okay, we got a laser sight. That's all we need, folks. Let's guard this military base. Bing, 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 bong, bing, 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 bong. We have to stay nearby, but we're losing health. We're losing time. I'm just gonna go back and forth. Oh, open your upgrade menu to purchase supplies with the cash we got. Well, we gotta get out of here. Go! Go! Our train! Go faster!
Deja vu, I just been in this place before. Higher on the street and the
Oh, is that gold? Oh, I got it. Why are there so many black creatures? Ah! Get out of my way, you freaking creepy dark things. Ah, go back, go back, go backwards. Whoa! What are these? Ah! What are these? They're jumping. Are these like zombie apes? What are these things? All right, let's run them over. Ah! All right. We're out of here. We're losing health by the second. Oh, they're breaking our windshield. Come on, bruh. Run them over. Run them over. Choo choo.
Let's do this.
Oh, we got a friend. Come on. Let's go, friend. We'll save you. Oh! Whoa! Back it up. Back it up. Go back. Go back. They're too strong. Ah! We need more resources. We're backtracking so hard right now. But we need the resources. This is not okay. Ah! They're all coming! No! Go, go, go! There's too many of them! We got 10 health left. We don't got enough health for all this. This is too much. Charge! Charge! Stop nearby? I don't know if we could stop nearby to do all that.
Let's do
No! My train was destroyed!
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Brother, this guy stinks. Bruh, we can't quit there. Ah!